Today, we are solving SSSCE July 2005 question 4a. This is a basic probability question using information from a table. Here is the table. It shows the number of boys and girls in 3 classes, A, B, and C. The 3 classes are put together to select a prefect. We are asked to find the probability that the prefect will be a boy and the probability that the prefect will be a girl in Class B. Since the 3 classes are put together, any student from Class A, B, or C can be selected as prefect. All students can be selected. Probability of event equals number of favorable outcomes, total number of outcomes. Total number of students. So this simplifies to equal 16 plus 13 plus 13 plus 14 plus 22 plus 18. First, we find the total number of students by adding all the boys and all the girls in the 3 classes. So the total number of students is 96. Part I. Find the probability that the prefect is a boy. Total number of boys equals 16 plus 13 plus 13. (16 plus 13 plus 13 equals 42. Probability of boy equals number of boys, total number of students. Probability of boy equals 42 over 96. Probability of boy equals 42 over 96. So this simplifies to equals 7 over 16. Therefore, the probability that the prefect will be a boy is 7 over 16. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step exam solutions. Now consider this step. Don't forget to subscribe for more exam solutions. Part 2. Find the probability that the prefect is. For Part 2, we want the probability that the selected prefect is a girl in Class B. From the table, the number of girls in Class B is 22. Girls in Class B equals 22. Probability of girl in Class B equals. Number of girls in Class B, total number of students. Probability of girl in Class B equals 22 over 96. Probability of girl in Class B equals 22 over 96. So this simplifies to equals 11 over 48. Therefore, the probability that the prefect will be a girl in Class B is 11 over 48. Total number of students equals 96. Probability of boy equals 7 over 16. Probability of girl in Class B equals 11 over 48. Don't forget to subscribe for more.